Hello, and welcome to our step-by-step guide on how to use 2Pink Live Traffic to boost your website's traffic effortlessly. In this video, we'll explore how to set up your website on 2Pink Live Traffic and how to use its features to increase your site's visibility and traffic. Step 1. Registering and adding your website. Begin by visiting the 2Pink Live Traffic website and registering for an account. Once logged in, navigate to the Live Traffic dashboard and click on Add Your Website. Enter your website's domain and configure the settings according to your preferences. Step 2. Setting up views. After successfully adding the website domain, you will be redirected to the detailed setup page. Here, you can set up how you want your website to receive views. You can choose from direct views, referral views, or views from Google search. 1. Direct views. When employing this option, your target page will rapidly accumulate hits while utilizing only a minimal number of points, making it feasible to achieve a substantial volume of hits. For example, if you only want to directly view a specific article, simply enter the URL of that article. 2. Referral views. Many members commonly employ this method because it yields more natural hits introduced from external sources, such as Twitter, forums, and blogs, rather than direct hits as mentioned above. For example, if you wish to have that visit referred from another source, such as a blog, you need to enter the URL of that blog where the link to your article is located. In the Add Action section, choose Click Link and input your article's link. Three. Google Search. This method involves hits generated by searching specific keywords on Google and then clicking on the corresponding website. For example, if you want to drive traffic to your article from Google Search, in the Select View Style section, choose Google Search. Then input relevant keywords to search for your article. This way, each hits will come through the organic search action. Note, when conducting the search, ensure your website appears within the top 10 results. If it's not within the top 10, consider searching using keywords in the format keyword and website name. Copy the website link from the search results on Google and paste it into the action of clicking the first link. Step 3. Customizing view settings. Customize the view time, click time, and limit the number of views per hour. 1. View time. View time refers to the total duration of a URL viewing session. It includes the time spent on click actions. You can set this view time randomly for each session, which makes the traffic appear more natural. View time is measured in seconds and corresponds to the points you pay to the viewer. 2. Click time. Click time refers to the waiting period before each click action. For example, if you set a 30-second delay before clicking a link, it means that the action will be executed after 30 seconds. Naturally, this waiting time is randomly adjusted by plus or minus 10 seconds to ensure the most natural click-through rate. 3. Limit the number of views per hour. You can limit the maximum number of views received within 1 hour. This means that once the specified limit is reached within a 60-minute period, the URL will no longer receive additional views. Alternatively, you can choose not to set any limits if you want to receive more traffic. Some additional detailed options. You can also set up actions for clicks within your website to reduce bounce rates. By entering an internal link on the website or selecting random clicks. Select country for views. Choose the country from which you want the views to originate. Choose device type. Select whether the views should come from mobile, desktop, or both. Client type, Turbo. Decide whether to use Turbo mode or not. Turbo mode ensures that your URL is always visible on the screen without being hidden. Set view time slots. Specify time slots during the day for automatic view activation and deactivation. Test views. To test a specific URL, follow these steps. Select the URL you want to test. Open the live traffic client. Click the test button to see how your URL will be viewed and clicked. Enable or disable views. Toggle views on or off for individual URLs or entire domains. Remember to customize these settings based on your specific needs. Happy optimizing! Step 4. Earning points. To use all the tools provided by 2Pink, you need to accumulate points. Download the Live Traffic Client software or Live Traffic Viewer extension to start earning points automatically. These points are essential as they will be used to get views for your website. Step 5. Monitoring your traffic. After accumulating points, go back to the dashboard, view statistics reports, access daily view statistics for each URL or all domains. Live traffic provides accurate and complete statistics that are also reflected in Google Analytics and Google Search Console. Monitor the increase in traffic in real time and adjust your settings as needed. Thank you for watching. With 2Pink Live Traffic, you're on your way to significantly improving your website's traffic and search rankings. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials on maximizing your online presence. See you next time.